In a world stitched together by imagination and wonder, there lived a dreamer named Luna. She wasn't just any dreamer. No, Luna had a gift. While others slept and drifted through fleeting visions, Luna traveled. Her dreams were portals to realms beyond comprehension, and every night she embarked on journeys to places most people couldn't even fathom. She didn't know why this gift had chosen her, but she embraced it with open arms. Her heart, after all, was the map, and her curiosity was the compass. And so each time the stars dotted the velvety sky and sleep claimed her body, Luna set forth into the great beyond, her adventures beginning where ordinary dreams would end. Tonight, she opened her eyes to find herself standing on sands made of gleaming silver. Above her, a kaleidoscope of auroras danced across a sky the color of molten sapphire. This was Seluna Sands, a realm where the skies never slept and the constellations whispered secrets to those who would listen. Luna knelt, ran her fingers through the shining grains, and smiled. It sparkled like stardust, cool to the touch, yet pulsing with warmth. In the distance, figures approached, tall, crystalline beings whose bodies refracted light in every hue imaginable. "Traveler," they hummed in unison, their voices melting into the atmosphere. "You must follow the trail of falling stars. It will lead you to what you seek." Luna wasn't sure what she was seeking. Was it knowledge, a new adventure, or something deeper? She didn't ask. Instead, she nodded, her heart already pulling her feet into motion. The crystalline figures bowed, their glowing forms diffusing into a fine mist, and Luna was left to chase the stars streaking across the endless horizon. The trail led her to the edge of Seluna Sands, where the ground gave way to a sky of soft pastels. She stepped off the silver dune, and instead of falling, she floated effortlessly in what felt like liquid air. This was the Sky Mirror, a suspended sea reflecting the dreams and fears of those who traveled through it. As Luna drifted, her reflection below began to move differently than she did. She paused, peering closer, and saw something unexpected. Her reflection lingered in one place beneath her, pointing toward a glowing doorway far in the distance. Without hesitation, Luna adjusted course. It was only when she reached the doorway, a shimmering oval rimmed with cascading gold, that Luna hesitated. She could feel power emanating from it, a deep, unrelenting hum that called to her very core. Where would this doorway lead? She didn't know, but she reminded herself this was the essence of being a traveler, to go forth, to trust the path, and to discover what lay ahead. She stepped through. On the other side, Luna gasped. She was now in Veridal, a city of floating islands suspended high above a rose-gold sky. Towering waterfalls spilled endlessly from one island to another, the water vapor shimmering like diamond dust. Magic was alive here, coursing through everything. Blossoms that glowed faintly in dark shades of violet lined cobblestone streets, and bridges appeared and disappeared based on the direction a traveler wished to go. Winged beings flitted about, carrying luminous lanterns that never dimmed. "Luna," came a voice soft and musical from one of the winged beings. She turned to find a figure clad in robes of flowing starlight. "Welcome to Veridal. You stand before the Librarian of Whispers, keeper of the endless ledger, and you, a traveler, have much to share." The being gestured to a grand hall resting atop the largest island, adorned with spinning orbs and floating texts that wrote themselves in midair. Luna followed, her heartbeat quickening. The librarian explained, Veridal recorded every dreamer's steps across these realms. It was a record of exploration and courage, of the infinite spark within those brave enough to wander beyond the known. "But where does my story end?" Luna asked, her voice barely above a whisper. The librarian paused. "It ends where every traveler's journey does, when their curiosity runs dry. But you, dear Luna, have boundless curiosity. Your story has no end, unless you choose one." Luna pondered this as she explored Veridal's many wonders, her thoughts swirling like galaxies. Was there truly no end to what she could see, to where she could go? For a fleeting moment she wondered, was it possible to feel too free, to never have roots? For a fleeting moment she wondered, was it possible to feel too free, to never have roots, to always wander and never stay? Luna pondered this as she stood in awe, contemplating her path amidst the wonders of Veridal. Her story had no end, unless she chose one.